How do you indulge in the ultimate foodie adventure, Caesar's Delight? The roasted chicken Caesar BLT on focaccia. Hello, my angels. I'm Angel, culinary school grad, retired line cook, and retired prep cook. Welcome to my channel and to another video. So let's get started on this next recipe. Let's go. For this sandwich, I combined my love of a BLT with my love of a Caesar salad. A beautifully seasoned and roasted chicken makes a nice extra touch. For the wine pairing, I have both a white and red wines. Once again, I would go for a Riesling. I recommend the Chateau Saint Michel. And you know what? A Rosé and Zinfandel would be great as well. Yeah. My red wine recommendation would be Cabernet Sauvignon or Merlot. Now, if you love a Caesar salad the way that I love a Caesar salad, and then you add some roasted chicken to it, oh my goodness, you will love this recipe. I see this recipe as part of a meal prep and once again as a school lunch. And oh my, we can't forget the bacon. Let's add that bacon in on it. So tell me, how do you like this recipe? You know, if you like it, be sure to give me a like, a thumbs up. Please leave a comment down below. I'll come back for the next one. I'll see you then. Bye. Thanks for watching. As always, please be the blessing to someone. And many blessings and much favor until we meet again. And I'll see you next time.